because you're going to leave with something you can use today. Start living on low expectations.
His forehead very well because he likes to tease me in my forehead.
Girl, keep your hair straight. I cannot let him see that forehead. I don't even want to see these ears. Hold on. He can't see these ears or nothing.
I'm gonna be still. I'm not moving an inch. You're cracking me up. That's wonderful. But the takeout, I'm always like, oh man. And then he always teases me. Again, the hibiscus seed, and I create my own hairspray. He didn't speak any English?
Barely. Wow. And we just following him through the jungle for 2 hours. And it's pouring rain and it's thunder. Hey, girlfriends. Thanks for coming to work with me today. You know, I've been in the salon suite for a couple of weeks now, and I've been doing clients, but I haven't picked up the camera. I just wanted to get comfortable in my new space and develop a new routine with my clients. So bear with me. I know this video is short, but don't worry. I have so much content lined up, so much hair transformation. So make sure you're subscribed. I just finished my shift and I'm ready to go. It was such a good service. I love my clients. I love it. I just love that I'm being sent these type of clients who are just so intellectual, so deep, so beautiful. Like, I have some beautiful clients and I'm so thankful for this. All I ever wanted was just a space to create, and I'm just meeting some wonderful women and I love it here. I love doing hair. And this is a long time coming because for a long time, I thought I was done with hair. But on this new journey with the suite, I'm realizing that this is exactly where I belong. Well, I'm tired. I'm gonna go home and eat, but it was a good day. I need my hair done. I need a massage. I need my hair done. I need some sleep. But thank you guys for watching this vlog. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Stay tuned for more videos. And if you are in the South Florida area and you are looking for a hairstylist like me that's going to help you on your natural long hair journey, where you can come, vibe, have a good time. I got some good snacks, talk. And if you are committed to reaching your hair goals, I'm gonna help you with all my might. I'm gonna give you the knowledge that I've learned. I'm going to share with you all my research. I'm going to share with you, I'm gonna give you everything I got to help you get where you need to go. So book me. Bye.